Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I just came back from a 2-week road trip from Texas where we helped my sister-in-law move her entire life from New York City to Texas. These are the plans that I inherited from her after she made that huge move. But I'm also reminded that starting over doesn't always look big. Every single day, life presents us with opportunities to begin anew. Some days it may look like a broken vase that's asking you to let go. Other days it may look like plans that you did not even ask for. And then there are the seasons within one season. This is what winter looked like just 1 month ago. Calm, quiet, with the sound of nature. Today, it's a snowstorm. It's just like life. It's ever changing, ever evolving, but it's how we deal with it that makes the difference. I no longer rush to the next moment. I no longer strive for perfection. I no longer complain about the weather. And I certainly do not make an excuse for dessert. Everything in this life serves its purpose. A few years ago, I would have complained about this weather. Complaining was my default setting. Today, I choose gratitude. Gratitude that I'm able to walk outside and enjoy what we call the blizzard of 2026. It changes so much when we can see the good in everything. Looking back on my life, I can say with certainty that life always knows, and life loves us so much that it hands us clues and hints of what is to come. It is up to us to pay attention.